Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how you can clone my entire affiliate marketing business step by step. I have a good affiliate program in here for you, a high ticket affiliate program, high ticket sales funnel, and some email scripts as well. So if you do want to copy this, then links in the description below. You'll be able to get access to this page right here where all the steps are here. It's 5 simple steps. Yeah, I'm going to be breaking that down. So in this video today, hopefully by the end, you have a high ticket affiliate marketing business ready to get leads and sales from. Okay, so congratulations, you are here and ready to copy my already proven system. Clone my entire affiliate marketing business in just a few short clicks. So I'm just going to be breaking down all the steps right here. But if you do have any questions about it or regarding it, then just join my Facebook group right here. But yeah, step one, we're going to be partnering with a high ticket affiliate program. Now this program is the 3-day business builder challenge. Inside this program, basically you just learn everything about affiliate marketing, 3 short lessons about affiliate marketing, how to do it, starting your business, how to get sales towards it. That's basically what's inside here. But the sales inside here will reach from like $3.50 to $1,000 plus with inside this affiliate program. So that's why we're choosing this one today. This one I'm using right now actually. So once you do sign up for that, you will be able to get your affiliate dashboard, which is right here. And you can track all your sales, select different links like the sales page, opt-in page, webinars. You'll be able to track those and just copy those links and import them into your sales funnel, which I will be providing you with afterwards. Yeah, that's basically the high ticket affiliate program that we will be joining for this. Okay, step 2, start your $1 trial with Builderall. So we're going to be starting with Builderall to import our high ticket system / our sales funnel. Now this sales funnel is the exact one used by 6-figure plus affiliate marketers. So this sales funnel does convert like crazy. So that's why we're going to be importing this to Builderall, which is right here, and you will need Builderall to access this and use this. Okay, step 3, start your 30-day free trial with GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is where we're going to be hosting our email automation, sending out emails, building our email list, creating an email sequence. And yeah, we're going to be using GetResponse for that just because it's probably one of the best tools that you can use and the one that I am using right now. Okay, in step 4, we will be importing our high ticket system. So once you've done step 1 and 2, then now you're ready to import the system. So we're going to go here, it's going to load up Builderall, it's going to load up my high ticket sales funnel. So yeah, once you get to this website here, click confirm and then go to the site dashboard. You won't see most of these, you're going to probably see the this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and edit this right now. Okay, so you're going to see a home and thank you page. The home page is the start of the sales funnel. Okay, so now we're on the home page, which is the opt-in page, with the first page of the 2-step website. That's our sales funnel. You'll be great with this. You can edit this, of course, in your own way. Just double tap, and you'll be able to just edit your name, etc., your story, how long ago it was. But I do recommend you keep this script because this is quite a good text script to use to convert very well. Of course, you can change it, of course, for your liking. Also going to be including a goal, change your name, and this start now button will link you to the next page of the 2-step website, which is the bridge page, the sales video page. And also you can change your picture as well. All you gotta do is edit it, edit element, change it, change image, and then from your laptop or something, you can just select the file and then it will come up here, and then boom, that's your picture there done. So that's that page done. All you gotta do is edit that in your own style, and you should be good. Let's go to the thank you page, which is the second page of the 2-step website. Yeah, and this page is where we break down what's inside the affiliate offer. On the last page, we just warmed the customer up a little bit, just explain our story, etc. But this page, we're gonna be talking about what's actually inside the product. I do have a video here. You're gonna want to use your own video. Just upload it to wistia.com, and then you'll just be able to copy and paste it right into Builderall. Once you edit the element, you should be able to copy and paste the embed doc that they give you. They will give you that, of course. It's not hard to do. But also we're going to explain like a little story here. So I said at 16 when the pandemic was still in full effect. It brings us to February, I discovered affiliate marketing, some stuff like that. And then I explain what's inside the 3-day challenge with Jonathan Montoya. And now this link right here is quite important. So you're going to press set link. And then you want to change this to your affiliate link from the affiliate dashboard. So the sales page, copy. And then you're going to want to paste that inside of here. So after that's done, we just want to press save, or just press right here, press save and exit. Okay, so now the sales funnel is done. Now we're going to be going up to the pop-up, which is where we're going to be collecting the email. So we're going to go to the pop-up right here, edit, and this is where we're going to use the get response pop-up. So you see get response right there. You're going to want to set list. So this is where we're going to go to get response right now, and then we're going to edit this a bit, and then we're going to automate this into the Builderall system. Okay, so now we're on get response. Just want to log in real quick. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so now we're on get response. This is where we're going to be hosting our email automation. So what we're going to do right here is we're going to create a new list for you to use inside Builderall to collect emails. So I have my list right here. We're going to create a new list. So I'm just going to say YouTube video test 1. I'm going to create list, and then now we have our list right here. So when we go back to Builderall, we press set list. All we got to do is select that list right there, press select, and then next we need to just do our API token to actually get the get response connected towards it. So all you want to do is just come here, integrations and API. It's pretty simple. Just click API, generate your link, and then just copy and paste it into, and then pretty much it's done. I'm not going to show you mine because then you have access to my stuff. Okay, so now we've selected it. All we're going to do is come back here, and we have our name and email field, and we're going to put day 1 of the cycle. So after that, we're going to put redirect URL to the thank you page. Make sure it's the thank you page. Just load up that, and then it'll go to the thank you page. Put the URL in there. I recommend you do open same tab so it just looks a bit cleaner. But yeah, that's all you have to do for that. And now the sales funnel is pretty much done. Okay, so now you've saved the sales funnel. All we got to do is come over here to get response, and now we're going to be creating our email sequence. So we're going to be going to automation right here. And we're going to create a workflow. I'm just done build one from scratch. You don't need anything else. Don't need any of this. I'm going to put subscribes. So I'm just going to name it YouTube test video 1. And then we're going to click subscribes. So we're going to click subscribes to the list, any method. No, specific list. The list that we just put inside get Builderall, that list right there, and any method is what I use, to be honest. Okay, so now we're going to be adding the elements, and we're going to need to pull up the free email scripts. Okay, so now that we've got this set up, now we're going to go to add elements, and we're going to be able to send messages. So I like to do it like this, basically where we wait a bit after they've subscribed. We wait just a few minutes, and you can select how long you want to make them wait for. So I normally put around about 10 minutes afterwards, so they have time to look at the product and the at my sales video. So I put around 10 minutes there. The next we're going to be sending the message. So inside we're just going to click select a message to send. I'm going to create a new message. Yeah, and also you're going to want to just put an email address in here. Just add another address, and just put an email address in there. You can get a domain name, which I do recommend. So just go ahead and buy a domain name for like a GoDaddy.com or something like that. Just buy one, like a professional domain name, and you can just put that in there. That will increase your sender score to be able to go to the inbox. It's not required, but I do recommend you have it. Okay, so now we have the subject line. So we're going to pull up the email scripts that I did give you guys. It's in step 5. And we're just going to paste what we see in there into here. So on step 1, you need to know this. This is the subject title of our emails. This is what they will see as a notification on the top in bold. And then you don't need anything else other than that. And then now we need to just design the message, which is in the sequence. But we're going to just go ahead and select blank template. Just don't need anything fancy. Just a blank template does well. And we're going to drag a text box. Okay, then we're just going to copy this email inside of here. And I'm just going to paste that right in there. So of course you're going to edit a little bit. So it's linked to sales page. Just going to click that. And then boom, you can paste the sales page right there. You can just paste it into here. Boom, done. and then just of course edit that out. And then on this one, you're gonna be editing your facts, etc. Just edit into your style, basically. Your name, introduce yourself, just edit in your style, of course. And then we can just select next because we're pretty much done. And then save and finish. So now it's gonna do that again for the next email. So I recommend you wait another day. You don't want to send emails like the same day multiple times. So just wait one day. Just go ahead and select that, and then go back to add elements, and then just do the next email in the sequence, which is just number 2. That's it. Okay, so just go ahead and save and publish that, and after this we should be able to just make sure you've included your integration API key, pasted it into the pop-up. But other than that, once you edited the sales funnel your own way, done the email automation and connected it, we're just gonna go ahead and hit and publish it, and then we should see the it right here. But we're just gonna go ahead and go back to the website page. Okay, so now we've published it. You're gonna see it right here. Now we're gonna be, I recommend you do connect a domain name. This is just so your website looks a bit cleaner and it's not like a random URL. It just looks a bit better. So you can connect a domain name. You can just do that by going to the Builderall home site, and then you can just buy a domain name from there. Pretty simple as that. Okay, so we're gonna go to the website and test it right now. Okay, so everything should be good. Boom, the pop-up has popped up, and then I'm just gonna put my email in there. Info access. This is already done for you. I made the sales funnel and everything. Boom, sales funnel was there. Go down, boom, and then my affiliate link to the sales page. Now I'm just gonna test if that did connect to GetResponse. So let's go ahead and go back to the form. And yeah, boom, it did work. One new person, which should be me. Yep, done. Okay, so now everything's connected. You have your sales funnel done. Your GetResponse is done with the system that you have automated. We should be good to go. Okay, so now your website is done. Some 2 added bonuses I recommend you do is just getting domain names for your email and your website name, just to make it look a bit cleaner and increase your sender score. I did show you how to do those before, but yeah, I just do recommend you actually do that. Okay, so now the website is done. I'm just gonna be showing you how you can get like traffic towards the website. So what you can do right here is just create content around your affiliate offer, like related towards it. What I'm doing right now is just creating content about affiliate marketing and redirecting them to my link in my bio. I've pasted it in there. But yeah, you just want to create content about that. You can do this on TikTok like I have here, and you can also do this on Pinterest as well. I do it on Pinterest too. I just repost my TikToks onto there as a story pin. It converts really well. I've got around 15k monthly viewers in about 2 weeks with that. That converts really well once you put your sales on link inside the bio there. Those are 2 websites you can use for free. And yeah, those are just some tips that you can use to get some more traffic towards your affiliate links. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. After we've just gone through that, you should be able to have your high ticket affiliate marketing system with your affiliate program found, your sales funnel done, your emails done. Everything should be there for you. All you gotta do now is get traffic towards your links. If you got any more questions about this, just join my Facebook group linked right here. I'll be able to answer all your questions about it. But yeah, other than that, I think that's watching this video today. Please leave a sub on the channel and see you.